Hello everyone, welcome to this class. Today I explain you how to round off a number to the nearest 10. Suppose I am taking number that is 36. Suppose we have a number 36. So we find its nearest 10 number. So making a number line, this is a number line and this one is 30 and this is 40. And this one is a middle line, middle number, that is maybe 35. So where it is lie? It lies somewhere at this point, 36, right? So it is 36 is nearly equivalent to 30, or we can say 40. So 36 it is nearly equivalent to where? 40. We move 4 steps here. 37, 38, 39 and then 40. And for 30 we have to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. 6 steps. So which one is nearly equivalent? So 36 is nearly equivalent to 40 because this time we are moving only 4 steps and here we have to move 6 steps. So which one is easier to go? For 40. So means we round up a number. So 36 is nearly equivalent to 40. Is 47. So 47 is nearly equivalent to either 50 or 40. Right? So 47 is nearly equivalent to, just see, 47 to 50. We have to move only 3 steps here. And 47 to 40 we have to move 7 steps. So which one is nearly equivalent? 50 is equivalent. Means we round up a number. 40 is nearly equivalent to 50. Right everyone? 69. 69 is nearly equivalent to either on 70 or we can say 60. So which one is easier to go? If we move 69 to 70, this one is easier to move. So it means 69. We round up a number and it is nearly equivalent to 70, not 69. It means we divide a number into 2 parts. First part, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the next one is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one is the second part. So whenever you want to convert a number to nearest tens, you check its unit digit number. You check its unit digit number. If the number is from first group, then there is no need to change anything. You round down a number. You round down a number, means 69 is near. Suppose you have a number 63. So 63 is nearly equivalent to, because it is from the group, just check this unit digit number, it is from this group. So we round down a number, means it is 60. And suppose you have a number 68. So 68, it is from the second group. Just check this number, it is from the second group. So we round up a number and it is nearly equivalent to, 68 is nearly equivalent to 70. Right everyone? So here we have 2 groups for the round down when the numbers, unit digit number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We round down a number. And round up means whenever the number is, unit digit number is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. So now let's take one question, that is A part is 625. So 625 is nearly equivalent to, we check its, because we are converting into nearest tens. So we check its unit digit number. Just see, unit digit number is 5. 5 is from which group? 5 is from this group. Means round up. We have to round up the number. Round up means, so 25 is nearly nearest tens number of 625 is 630. We round up a number. we round up a number. Similarly, you have a question that is 69. So 69 is nearly equivalent to, just check this one, 9 is here. It means we round up a number. 69, nearest tens number of 69 is 70. Similarly, 5243. We are converting into nearest tens. So check its unit digit number is 3. It is from this group. So we round down a number. Round down a number means 43 is nearly equivalent to 40. So we write down 5240. Right, everyone? Suppose you have a number 8788. 8788. Check its unit digit number. It is from the second group, that is round up a number. Round up number means 88 is nearest tenth number of 88 is 90. So here we can write 8790. So in this way you can convert all the number to the nearest tens number. Number 166. So it means 66 is from the second group, that is, it means we have to round up a number. So what we do, in place of this one, we put here 0 and we add 1 here. Add 1 here means it is 7 and this one is 170. So it is equivalent to 170. So for the rounding up of a number, we add 1 in its tens digit number and put the 0 in place of a unit digit number. I explain you again. Whenever you are rounding up a number, you add 1 in its tens digit number, and put a 0 in place of a unit digit number. And for the round down number, you place 0 in its unit place. Unit place becomes 0 and you write down tens place as it is. There is no need to change. Similar, suppose you have a number 163. Here it is from the first group, that is from round down. It means in place of a unit digit number we place 0 and this number will be same, and here you write down 160. So this is equivalent to 160. Is this okay? Since round of a number to nearest 100. Nearest 100. Suppose you have a number 374. As I told you, you have round down means round down for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Round up means 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are for round. Now here it is our nearest tens we have to convert. So it means we check only its tens place number. If we are converting it into its nearest 100, so we check its tens digit number. So here just see 7. 7 is here. 7 is from which group? 7 is from this group. Means round up a number. So round up. So whenever we are converting into the 374, it is either we convert this one into 300 or 400. So just check. 374 is nearly equal to, because we are rounding up a number. So this one is this is equivalent to 400. This is equivalent to 400. So what we do here, same thing we apply here. We put 0 in place of unit digit and tens digit, and because it is a 7 and round up a number, so we add 1 here in its 100 place number. So here it is 4. So this is equivalent to 400. Okay everyone, I am taking one more example. Now the next question is 645. We convert this into a nearest 100 number. Just check, nearest 100 means we check its tens place number. Tens place number is from round down a number, means first group. So it means there is no need to change anything. Put here 0, 0 and here you write down 600. And so this is equivalent to 645 is nearly equivalent to 600. Right everyone? I'm taking one more example, that is C part, 449. Here you just see, just take this number 4. 4 is from which group? First group. So it means there is no need to change. In place of unit digit you write down 0. In place of tens digit you also again write 0. And there is no need to change in this the number, you write down as it is. It is nearly equivalent to 400. But suppose you have a number 888. Just check tens digit number. Tens digit number is 8. Means round up a number. Round up means in place of unit digit put 0. In place of tens digit you put 10. But here you add 1. Here you add 1. So 8 plus 9 is equal to 9. So the answer is equivalent to 900. Is this okay? Now round off to nearest 1000. Suppose you have a number 3925. Because we are rounding, so see, nearest 1000 number of 3925 is equivalent to 4000 or 3000. Okay, 925 is nearly equivalent to 400, not 3000. So we can say 3925 is equivalent to 4000. So we round up a number. Or in another way, 3925. So which number we check? Because we are converting into nearest 1000 digit number. So we check it's this one number. Means 100 place number. So we check its 100 place number. That is 9. So 9 is from which group? Second group. Means round up a number. Round up means in place of unit digit, here you put 0. Here also you put 0. Here also you put 0. But whenever we are rounding up numbers, so we add 1. So in which number we add 1? Here we add 1. So this is equivalent to 4000. So we can say it is equivalent to 4000. You can convert by this method also. I am taking one more example. 5259. So here it is. Just see this one. Which number we check? 100 place number. So this is the number 2. 2 is from which group? First group. So it means in place of unit digit put 0. In place of 100 tens digit 0. And here also you put 0 and this number you write down as it is. There is no need to change. So the answer is equivalent to 5000. 5259 is nearly equivalent to 5000. I am taking one more example, that is 4760. So which number we check? We are converting into 1000 place number. Nearest 1000. So we check this number 7 here. 7 is from which group? 7 is from second group. Means in place of this put 0. In place of this you have to put 0. And here also you put 0 and here you add, because we are rounding up a number. So here we add 1 and this is equivalent to 5. So it is nearly equivalent to 5000. Right everyone?